guys, Devin here with Admiral Off-Road. This is just a quick update video. I know it's been a while since I've posted, and I've gotten a couple of questions about whether I'm still going to be posting, and the answer is yes. I've just had a couple of crazy months. I started a new job, I'm planning a wedding, I'm buying a house, so it's just been a hectic couple of months, but once all that dies back down, I'll get back to posting, no problem. A couple of new things you might notice since the last time I've made a video. The Stinger is new, and made some new rock sliders. I just got a cool new tube bender, so I've been playing with that, made the Stinger, made the rock sliders. Didn't make videos on them because I'm still learning how to do all the tube bending and notching and everything, and I want to get good enough that way I can actually make a video and look like I know what I'm talking about. But the plan is still with the tube bender, hopefully going to be making a cage, so that will be coming up pretty soon. The next time you see the Jeep will hopefully be in my new garage, so that is super cool. So that's really all this video is. It's just kind of letting you know that I'm still around. We'll take a quick look at my rock sliders and my Stinger, and that's about it. So here are my new rock sliders that I made. Most of you guys will remember that I already had rock sliders on here. They're made out of 1.5" tubing. This is 1 3/4". I also made it a little bit stronger by adding some extra bracing and an extra leg going to the unibody. So it should just be a little bit stronger all around. The other new thing you haven't seen since my last video is my Stinger. This was my first tube bending project. It was super easy, just one bend, so it's the perfect first project. It's not supported by anything right now, but it will be tying into my cage at some point, so that will be coming up in another video. So this is my tube bender. This is what I bent my Stinger and my rock sliders on. The cool thing about this one is that it is air powered instead of being a manual bender. That means I don't have to crank on it, and I don't have to bolt it to the floor either. I can pick this up and move it wherever I want it to be, and all I need to do is just connect it to my air compressor. The nice thing about that is I bent some longer tubes that didn't quite fit as it was in the garage, so I was able to just move it outside and use my air compressor to bend it. If it was need to be bolted down, I wouldn't have been able to do that. So that's the nice thing about having an air bender. The other nice thing is that it bends vertically, so that way, again, it's not as much of an issue as trying to fit it in the garage when I can bend vertically instead of having to kind of move it out in the middle of the floor. So this will definitely be up in some upcoming videos as I start getting better and start doing more cool stuff with it too. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. Just a quick update video. I want to show you guys what's going on, a couple of little projects I've been working on. It might still be a couple weeks till I get settled in the new place and I'm able to film again, but just wanted to let you know that new videos are still going to be coming out, so definitely stick around. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below, and definitely subscribe for some more videos.